Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? It's autumn here in the UK. You might call it fall, we call it autumn. And the thing kids love is conkers. I love conkers when they sort of fell off the tree and you stick a piece of string in it, tie a knot in. There's a fly in here. Tie a knot in it and you can play conkers. Pow! And try to smash your opponent's conker. So I'm going to do this kind of a weird shape like that, and now I'm going to draw a little circle there as my guide, and then I'm going to turn my pencil on its edge and I'm going to press quite hard here. Okay, so that I normally do things in ink, but today I'm going to do this all in pencil, just by way of a bit of a change. I'm going to leave a little bit of a highlight there, and I think I'm going to leave a little bit of highlight there as well. So I'm pressing quite hard here, and I know this is a Draw Stuff Real Easy pencil, but it's just a normal kind of everyday giveaway kind of pencil. Draw Stuff Real Easy is my other channel. You can go and check that out. And what I'm doing now is, as I'm getting to the edge, I'm going a lot lighter, and that just means pressing not so hard, and I think I'm probably going to just go around the edges like that, pressing quite gently. And so the thing about this is a dark object, a conker. In case you don't know what a conker is, it is a horse chestnut, not to be confused with a sweet chestnut. So these aren't the ones that we eat. They're not the ones for roasting. These are the ones for playing conkers with. I'm just going to sharpen this up a bit. Right, so we can keep doing this quite dark around the body of the whole thing. And that means, so whatever you do with the pencil, the hardest you press it is the darkest you're going to ever get out of that pencil. You're not going to get black out of an H pencil. You're just going to get a kind of a grey. Whereas if you get a dark pencil, an 8B or something, especially if it's got added carbon in it, then you're going to get a really dark, rich black. But not with this pencil. So what is happening here? This outside line here, where it's not quite so dark, this is ambient light. So there is light coming down onto, assume this is on a table, light is coming down, it's bouncing off the table and illuminating it from underneath. And that then means that you can put a dark shadow in underneath like that. And that's, I'm pressing really, really hard there. And because we haven't made it too dark around there, that means that it shows up, and this kind of edge shows up. So this is quite dark here, and let's say the light is coming this way because that's the highlight, so most of the shadow will be coming over on this side, and then you can start pressing lighter and lighter, and the lighter you press, the more it's going to fade out, and you can get that lovely soft faded shadow like that. And then on the top here we're going to need to add in some kind of texture and shade. So I'm using a very light touch on the edge of the pencil, and I think that's probably all we really need, something like that. Why have I gone so dark? There we go. I don't know what happened there. And so there we go, how to draw a conker or a horse chestnut. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.